Now we're gonna gut the fish. Cut it. Alright.
Alright, they're expert on this.
Oh man.
Oh my goodness.
Got this delicious stuff.
Can somebody get us a bag, please?
What is that?
Those are his guts. Those are his vocal cords.
Oh, cool.
That's the heart.
How does he sound like?
It ain't coming out. You gotta cut it, man.
Again?
Cut this baby.
Ah!
Mm. There you go. There you go.
Put that delicious stuff in there. You're saving that for raccoon hunting.
Right. Put him in. Put him in. Put him in.
Okay.
Okay. Why not washing it up?
No, not yet. We still gotta keep cutting it.
Oh damn.
Oh, what happened?
It's okay.
We still
Good.
pros. We still pros.
And we still look good.
But the fish is all dirty.
Oh,
Let's go wash it off.
no, we'll wash it later.
Stinks.
Dang, how you saying?
My bad. Take a bath. Dude, we got. I forgot
finish
my
it from the
step.
mouth.
I forgot a step.
Just gotta finish from the mouth.
Yeah, you gotta cut the bone
Yeah.
over there.
Chill out. Chill out. All right.
Just gotta cut his mouth open.
Ooh.
So
I
try.
almost just stalk you, dude.
Wait, you
Cut
guys.
the mouth
It's
open.
good. It's good. It's good.
No, it's not. Dude.
Oh,
You gotta come here.
Gotta
You gotta come here, dude.
Hey,
Dude, wait.
Hold it.
Gotta take it out first.
Cut his mouth.
Remember, kids, don't try this at home.
I did it at home.
You see that?
That
Sick.
is his heart. He just broke it.
Look at this.
that's whoa.
Dude, are you serious? I'm freaking holding like this. Cut the head.
You don't need
off.
to cut the head.
No, you need to cut this part.
Cut that out.
Just rip it open.
See all this delicious stuff in there?
Yeah, I love eating these, man.
I know, man. We're saving this for later.
All right. Hold on, let me grab it.
Hey, hold on, I want to grab it. I'm having all the fun here.
All right.
Whoa, my shirt is dirty. Good thing I brought another white shirt.
Ugh, time to wash it out. Let's go wash it out.
All right. What do you guys have to say for the last part?
Don't try this.
Eat this. This is delicious.